Hello everyone, welcome to watch Wi-Tek new product class. I'm Alan. And sometimes our installer hope install the PoE switch on site. So they need to prepare a steel case box, they need to prepare the lighting protector, they need to put a power adapter into the box. It's a little difficult to cabling. But now Wi-Tek offer a new product. It is a IP65 waterproof on-door PoE switch. Let's watch it. Beautiful box. It's a QIG. Okay, this is the on-door waterproof PoE switch. You can see it's plastic case. It's a IP65 waterproof. And in the back, it supports the pole mount and wall mount. You can use the pole mount, the case, to install on the pole. And we open, this is the hole for the cable. We open the case. You can see this is the 8 gigabit PoE ports and 2 SIP fiber ports. And you can power up your camera. And here has the LED status for your PoE and your fiber link. So you install it on the pole, you no need other things. It's very simple and it's good price. I think this product will be helpful to your project. Thank you.